Many of you were right. This food, we had it from Okuji in Amobia, Awka, a very cool place to enjoy Jiahurahu and Opaka. Even though the restaurant is in the city, it feels like entering the village. And we were served the special okite, a hot pot with mano, red oil, where the owner of the restaurant added fresh leaves, pepper, onions, and other orishirishi. The scent was out of this world. Garnished with roasted yam and fish.
Let's try.
Let's enjoy the meal.
We were ready to eat. It was delicious. Once we were done, Chijoke played a bit with the birds outside. He was so excited to see them. Anyway, this place has a lot of love and delicious food. So if you're passing through Amobia Awka, make sure you don't miss out.